Welcome friends, Fawaz with you from Tech International. We build warehouses with a lot of passion. This video I would like to show you the double bars installations in the slab. These are the double bars we used. This is a 20 mm thick. So as I told you before that all this area we have divided different portions for this casting. So each concrete is for the load transfer. We are connected it with the Dowels bar. This is 20 mm thick steel bar. Tomorrow is our casting, so this area will be covered with the concrete. Very next casting, what we are going to do, we will apply the lubricant all over this area, and we are going to put these plastic pipes with the end caps. So all over this area we are going to put like that. Then we will do the concrete casting. The main use of this double bars is usually is for the load transfer and prevention of the cracks in the expansion joints. Like that we are doing this double bars installation. So hope it is clear. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Keep watching. Keep sharing.